we got cucumber, some jasmine rice, and we got
what rice have?
jasmine rice.
Okay.
And we got some sausages, and we got some pepper, and we got the beloved sauce.
I had to make some beloved sauce to go with this. I couldn't just eat this rice plain like this. But Eat with Kim started this, so we're late doing it, but better late than never.
So, yeah, guys, well, today we're just gonna be talking and eating and stuff. And I just want to say that Scum's at the food. She at the food.
I can't wait to try this beloved sauce. They were sold out on Amazon. So I had to just go back and get the recipe and just make everything from scratch. I had to go buy all of the ingredients and make it since they were sold out. So I can't wait to try it. This is my first time trying it, and I'm just anxious. I'm ready to just dig in.
So right now we just finna dig in.
I can't. I'm finna dip. Get you the sausage. You want a cucumber sausage? Ooh, ooh.
See, you can put onions in there. How it taste? It's hot?
No, it's not spicy.
Okay, I guess I'm going in for a sausage. I'm gonna go for the next one.
I got onions in it. I'm gonna give me a cucumber.
It's good. We love sauce good though.
Be love, girl. You on to something with this. Here go the onions. Look.
Oh.
Mmm. Y'all want some?
I'm gonna try pepper. Jello, protein, pepper, yeah. It's so sweet.
I'm gonna dig some rice.
Yeah, let me see if I can dig in some rice.
Ooh.
How you do that? Just lift it in like that.
If you want to use a small spoon, you can.
Okay. We love sauce so juicy because it's so liquidy. Okay, B-Love, you doing something. Okay, B-Love. Oh.
Cucumber. Throw burning?
Put on a rubber pipe. You always want to stir something. Eat with Kim, she did something with this. I mean, it's a good combination. And I don't really like rice, but it's good in the sauce. Yeah. This just went down.
One of them peppers caught my throat too, John. Let me dip a pepper in it.
They not hot, they sweet. Some just keep me up. Okay.
So,
Ah, girl. You need more than me.
the seasoning and the peppers at the bottom, girl.
That You can see it and have king meat.
So, what I really wanted to talk about.
Jello!
Huh?
I forgot to do something.
Oh my God!
I was trying to tell you that, but you.
Okay, well. You want to do?
We're gonna do like this.
I'm gonna do a thumbnail. We forgot. I totally forgot.
Wait,
Let me know when you're ready.
wait.
Hold up.
Okay. Okay.
Woo! Baby, baby. This sauce is everything we love. Let me tell y'all something.
And we put the right ingredients in here.
That lady is so nice. She did not have to give her recipe out, but she did.
Yep.
And I'm glad that she did.
I love. Just a matter of fact, I love your channels. I wish I can just be in one of yours. Eat some lobster tails. Yeah, if you're watching this, beloved.
Yeah, we hope to meet you one day, beloved. Just to.
You can say hey.
Just chill out. Should we bring Miss Gums?
Yeah, let's bring Miss Gums on an adventure.
Now, what I wanted to talk about was what I don't like is how everyone is complaining about the sauce that Beloved is selling on Amazon. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem with it just being, just the seasonings. I mean, that's how I expected it to come. I didn't expect it to come as like the whole thing. And then for $24.99 or however much it is, I still don't think that's a bad price because, like you say, she have other people to pay also, and then she got to make a profit off of it, It's just crazy. People always got something to say. Nobody want to see you doing good, but Beloved, like I say, you on to something, girl.
I like this rice level.
Well, you stay on your side of the rice, and let me have my side of the rice.
Okay,
But you can really have all of the rice if you really want to.
I don't need all of this rice.
Ooh.
So buttery. She knows she's buttery.
I like these cucumbers.
See, look, so buttery.
But Beloved, don't let what the people say worry you, girl. Keep doing your thing.
You gotta send us some
You're gonna have people to talk. Everybody's not gonna agree with what you do.
But we
Can't
do.
please everybody. As long as you happy, keep doing you, girl.
Yes, honey.
Let them talk. Either you're gonna buy the sauce or you're gonna leave it. It's just that simple. Because if I want something, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care how much it is. It's hot.
Jello.
Huh?
I want you to try this cover. These other side. Here. Here, Jello. Try this one.
Gummy. Dip it in mine too.
Yeah, try my this one. I'd rather touch this one.
All of my beloveds.
I don't like the first one. I ain't even taste the red one, and why I want to taste the other ones? Is that hot? The red one hot?
It's not hot to me.
Well, if it's not hot to you, I ain't sure gonna eat that.
Why?
I should dip the burger chili.
Don't be scared. I wouldn't lead you wrong.
I wish we had some ranch. Could have dipped my cucumbers in there too. That worked.
Where's some ranch?
Where?
You want some?
Yeah. Where's it?
I'll go get it.
Or just eat before you leave. You know you want it. I ain't touch. I just ate one sausage. I ain't touched that sausage no more.
These sausages banging.
Be lovely. You doing your thing, girl. Cause I'm doing my thing. Why you do my dance?
Hey,
I'm doing my thing.
Girl, you must think you on TikTok.
Dance, 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 dance. Wait a minute. See, this is my wrench that I had in my hot wings today. Well, that was hot.
I love smoked sausage. Good?
Miss Gum. What if I use the ranch and a big love, please? Let me see.
Ugh.
It probably won't taste like butter.
I hate ranch, y'all.
Don't take nothing but ranch.
Let me dip it in some sauce for y'all. Here you go.
It's dripping.
Baby. Work with it.
Healthy cucumbers.
Oh, this water's so good.
What are you talking about on the video?
Girl, I'm trying to eat this food.
Eat.
I done said what I had to say because these people done made me mad cutting up and fussing about this sauce and stuff, about the price. We always trying to bring one another down. We can't just support. When it get back in stock, be lovely, baby, you better bet I'm gonna order mine. I was caught slipping. They caught me slipping. I didn't know they was gonna sell out that fast.
No he be trying to get on YouTube, do a lot of videos. Jello. I got a good thing to put in this video.
Got a good thing to put in this video?
Uh-huh.
What?
Got it with our hands.
I'm eating with my hands.
Like,
Oh, no.
uh-huh, uh-huh. You remember, I had to do what you say. Now you got to do what I say.
I'm eating with my hands.
Okay, so now you want to write. Yeah, yeah.
Hey y'all, we have a TikTok now. So if you have TikTok, go follow us on TikTok at The H Gang. Go do that.
And go follow Brady and Jeremy Sis. Go follow me. You gonna see a picture with me with my lemonade braids and stuff. And go there and stuff. And go to the smash. Uh-huh. Jeremy stand up. Yeah, you done ate more than me.
German is Sade. Oh, y'all, I done ate so much. I'm full. You just dunking it, huh? This sauce is good. I need to save this, baby.
Bella, I just can't stop talking about you, girl. I wish.
Just can't stop writing songs about you.
If you like Whitney Houston and Nipsey Hussle, please comment down below which one you like, because she like both. Jello, them her favorite ones. They both got killed.
They both been passed on.
Yep. They're her favorite singers. And my favorite singers are some rappers, NBA boys.
Are you excited about tomorrow? Y'all, I'm taking her to get her nails done tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna get me a metallic color. I don't know. Cause tomorrow we doing on. I can't tell y'all. It's a surprise. Well, I'm gonna be tapping on. I'm gonna give you a hint. I can tap with my nails on it.
How you doing?
It's like this. It's like this. Yeah, on your top you can do that. It's something like that. There you go. Yeah. I'll be able to do everything with my nails. Ooh, y'all see that sauce at the bottom?
Ooh.
Never.
So guys, overall, it was good. It was great, actually. The sauce was everything. Beloved, thank you once again for giving us the recipe
on
for
YouTube.
This sauce, because you didn't have to do that. So, but you did. So,
because you are a nice one.
Very grateful for that.
And you stay who you are. Don't be nobody else.
There you go, baby. Say it again. She didn't hear you. Say it again.
Beloved, you should just be yourself, not nobody else. Just be yourself, because some people just crazy nowadays. The people just crazy.
They switching up and they turning. But I think she will. She really seemed like a great, down-to-earth person. She's always...
She'll be a good grandparent.
She's giving me so many pointers on how to, start this YouTube thing. My channel is growing, so I'm very thankful for that also.
Well, I want to get some shout-outs,
Okay, go ahead with your shout-outs.
I want to get out the shout-outs. As you know, we were just talking about this lady, Beloved. I want to get a shout-out to her. And see these at Chunk Chunk, which is her son.
Zeta Chunk Chunk.
Yeah.
What you know about Zeta Chunk Chunk?
And I want to give shout out to the H family and CJ. So cool.
So cool. So
Taco
cool.
Tuesday.
It's Tasha Tuesday.
And I want to give a shout out to Ari Tillman, Lord Etney, Jayla King. And I want to give a shout out to this little girl that I know. And her name is London Jones, which is my sister, period.
Hey, London.
Say hey, London. And hey, Haley Alice Gibbs. That's who I want to give a shout
Go,
out.
Haley.
Who you want to get a shout out to? Nipsey Hussle. And and I want to get a shout out to Beyonce and Cardi B and A and B Young Boy. That's who.
Okay, so this is gonna conclude tonight's video. You got something else you want to say?
No. Okay, I made this handshake. DH gang. It's gonna go like that. We're gonna start doing it.
You gotta teach me that, girl, so I'll
It's
be
like-
ready for the next one.
DH gang. You can do that. Or you can do the damn with it.
So we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Give the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the channel so we can keep growing.
I'll put some sausages on
And don't forget, once we get to 1K, we're gonna be giving away $100 to some lucky person out there.
Yes, some lucky person.
So stay tuned. We'll be back again tomorrow.